Greetings of the day. In today's lecture of business finance, we will start with reorder quantity and what we can say maximum level of stock and minimum level of stock. Usually, this kind of technique is used to determine the level of inventory within the organization. That is what we will deep in this video about calculation of level of inventory using various formulas. The very first formula would be of reorder level. Reorder level. It is usually can also be denoted as ROL. That is reorder level. It can be calculated on the basis of using the formula maximum consumption multiplied by maximum lead time. Usually both the information is being given in the question. Maximum consumption multiplied by maximum lead time. Both the information related to calculation of reorder level would be given in the question. Second would be minimum level. For the purpose of the calculation of minimum level, we would write the formula minimum level is equals to reorder level. Reorder level. Reorder level is again what we have calculated by using the first formula minus in bracket average consumption multiplied by average consumption multiplied by average lead time. Average consumption multiplied by average lead time. On the third part, or what we can say, we could say it as third formula would be maximum level. Maximum level. For the purpose of the calculation of maximum level, the formula is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption multiplied by minimum lead time. Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption multiplied by minimum lead time. Here reorder level can be denoted as ROQ. Reorder quantity can also be denoted as ROQ. So for calculation of maximum level, the formula is reorder level. We have calculated by using the first formula plus reorder quantity. Usually reorder quantity is given in the question minus in bracket minimum consumption multiplied by minimum lead time. By using this formula, we can calculate maximum level of inventory. Then next formula would be average stock level. Average stock level is equals to average stock level is equals to maximum level plus minimum level. Maximum level plus minimum level divided by 2. The simple formula for calculating average stock level is maximum level of stock plus minimum level of stock divided by 2. Whereas for calculation of average lead time, average lead time would be maximum lead time plus minimum lead time. Maximum lead time plus minimum lead time divided by 2. Divided by 2. This is the formula for calculation of average lead time. Average lead time. Next formula, the formula number 6 would be for average consumption. Average consumption usually needs to be calculated in the calculation of reorder level. If suppose the normal consumption is given, then normal consumption is equals to average consumption. But if normal consumption or average consumption is not given in the question, then average consumption can be calculated by using the last formula for average consumption is equals to maximum consumption plus minimum consumption divided by 2. This is the formula for calculation of average consumption. These would be the 6 formula which would be useful for the purpose of calculation of the various level of inventory. The first formula deals with the reorder level, that is known as ROL. Formula is maximum consumption multiplied by maximum lead time. Usually lead time can be given in week, months or days. Whatever the unit is given for time, we have to follow that unit, whereas consumption is always given in units. When we talk of minimum level, the formula is reorder level, which we have calculated, minus average consumption multiplied by average lead time. If suppose usually average consumption and average lead time is not given in the question, then we can use the formula which is denoted in the last. Then for calculation of maximum level, the formula is slightly changing, that is reorder level is constant plus reorder quantity. As mentioned earlier, reorder quantity would be there in the question, minus in bracket minimum consumption multiplied by minimum lead time. That is for the formula for maximum level. Then for calculation of average stock level, the formula is maximum level plus minimum level divided by 2. Then we can derive average stock level. Then average lead time, the formula which is for which is maximum lead time plus minimum lead time divided by 2. And finally for average consumption, the formula is minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. This is what is related to formula. Now we will start with a simple question related to ROL. Now what the question number first says that average consumption is 200 units, whereas minimum consumption is of 100 units. Maximum consumption is 300 units and reorder quantity is given of 1200 units in the question. Whereas lead time is given for 4 to 6 weeks. So we have to find out maximum lead time, minimum lead time and average lead time. We have been given maximum and minimum lead time, which is denoted here. When we would have to write minimum lead time, the formula the answer would be write down minimum lead time is equals to minimum lead time is equals to, when we are calculating minimum lead time, it would be seen in the lead time the 4 is the minimum lead, 4 weeks is the minimum lead time which is given in here in the question. So we could write minimum lead time as 4 weeks, whereas for calculation of maximum, for finding maximum lead time, again we have to refer to the lead time which is given in the question, that is 4 to 6 weeks. Minimum is for 4 weeks, maximum is of 6 weeks. 6 weeks would be our what we can say maximum lead time. So we have used the lead time for knowing the minimum lead time as well as maximum lead time. The lower what we can say the amount or the lower weeks would be considered as minimum lead time, whereas the higher number of weeks would be considered as the maximum lead time. And for the purpose of the calculation of average lead time, we would use our formula which says that minimum lead time plus maximum lead time divided by 2. So minimum lead time was of 4 weeks plus maximum lead time is of 6 weeks divided by 2 equals, it is 10 divided by 2 equals to 5 weeks. That is what is our average lead time. Now we can put the values in the formula. The question asks us to calculate 4 things, that is reorder level, minimum level of stock, maximum level of stock and average level of stock. The formula for calculation of the reorder level is maximum consumption into maximum lead time. We have the maximum consumption for this question is of 300 units. So we will write down 300 multiplied by the maximum lead time we have wrote is of 6 weeks. So it would be 6. That would be 1800 units. That is of 1800 units. Now we will calculate the maximum level of stock. Maximum level of stock has a formula of reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption multiplied by minimum lead time. Reorder level we have calculated is of 1800 units plus reorder quantity is given in the question, that is 1200 units minus, in bracket we have to take minimum consumption. Minimum consumption is of 100 units multiplied by minimum lead time 4 weeks. Simplify the values. 3000 minus 400 equals to 2600 units is our maximum level of stock. Now minimum level of stock. Minimum level of stock has a formula of reorder level minus average consumption plus average lead time. Reorder level we have calculated is of 1800 units minus, in bracket, average consumption. Average consumption is already given in the question, that is of 200 units multiplied by average lead time. We have calculated average lead time, minimum lead time plus maximum lead time divided by 2, that is 4 plus 6 divided by 2, 5 weeks. 1800 minus 200 into 5, 1000. The answer is 800 units is our minimum level of stock. Lastly, average level of stock, minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. The minimum level of stock we have find out is of 800 units plus maximum level of stock was of 2600 units divided by 2, that is 3400 divided by 2 equals to 1700 units. This is all about reorder level, calculating various level of stock. Here we have calculated at 4 levels. The first one was reorder level, second one was maximum level, third one was minimum level, and lastly average level. Formulas are similar, but we can easily remember them by practicing more and more questions related to this. For calculation of reorder level, the formula would be maximum consumption multiplied by maximum lead time. Here consumption word can also be replaced with the word usage. For example, we can even though write it here as average usage. This can also be the word which can be used in the question, or minimum consumption or usage, maximum consumption or usage. These are interchangeably used word which can be taken in the question by the examiner. So remember one thing, consumption and usage are same for the purpose of calculation of level of inventory. In the next lecture we will take further questions related to the reorder level and reorder quantity. Until then, try to practice as much as question possible of the previous sessions of EOQ, even though for today's also. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.